In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Power BI. I'm starting in this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I'll begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with the installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Power BI download page. Here I will click on this download button. I will select the 64-bit installer and click on this download button. And the download should start for me. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template that I will be using to create my Chocolatey package. So I will click on it. Then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here I have my installation file and also the NuGet package. I will double click on the NuGet package. It opens up with a NuGet package explorer, and because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on tools, then I will click on add existing file, and I will select the installation file that I have in my downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. Now I'll double click on Chocolatey install and on this edit button, and then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that will be responsible for executing the installation from the package. Basically, it finds the installation file, then it executes the installation, and after that it removes the installation file from the computer. So to copy the snippet, I will click on the button right here and then go to my package and insert it here. And here we need to provide few values for it. And the first one is the installation file name here. So I will go to my downloads folder, I will right click on the installation file, select rename, then I will select full name to include the extension, right click again and copy the name. Then I will go to my package and insert the value here. Now for the package name, I will enter Power BI. For the file type, I need to enter exe because the installation file has .exe extension. And for silent switches, I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have all the silent switches that I will be using for this package. So I will click on the button right here to copy the values, go back to my package and insert the values here. And that's it for modifying the snippet. Now we can save it and let's go back to the package. And now I need to enter a few bits of information about the package here. So I will click on this edit button. For package ID, I will enter Power BI. For the package version, at least I think that the current version number is 2.124.1052, and this version number depends on the installation file that you are using. And for the authors, I will leave it at Let's Do Automation, and for the package description, I will enter Power BI Choco package. And that's all the mandatory fields that we need to fill. Now we can save the information by clicking on the save button. And now we need to save the package itself. And for that, I will go to File, Save As, and then I will save the package inside of my Downloads folder. And I will also be using my Downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository when I will try to install this package. So let's click on Save. And now we can try to install this package. And for that, I will open my terminal application. I will run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges to install the software. And here I will type Choco install. Then we need to provide our package ID, and you can see it here in the NuGet package explorer. So let's enter Power BI. And because I'm using my download folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to add -s and then provide my Chocolatey repository location. So it's my D drive and downloads folder. And I will also add -y, and let's press enter and let's see what's going to happen. And the package was successfully installed. So now if I go to start menu, then all apps, somewhere here we should find Power BI, and here it is. I will click on it and it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.